Hmm. The real strength. Huh? Once there lived a handsome and a okay rich young man. He wanted to marry a young and beautiful lady. Unfortunately, he could not find a proper match in the neighboring villages. Huh? But he continued his effort without any disappointment. At last he found a fair maiden. Maiden ଜାଣିଛ ତ? To his satisfaction. ହେଲା? Maiden ମାନେ girl. Not ହେଲା? Fair maiden ମାନେ ଗୋରା. Huh? Okay. He to his satisfaction. Huh? Achha. He then met her mother with the proposal. She accepted the proposal of the young man on a condition. With a condition. She said that she would give her daughter in marriage to the young man only if he could perform a difficult task for her. ହେଲା ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ difficult task ସେ କରିଦବ ସେ ତା ଝିଅକୁ ବାହା ଦବ. In order to marry the beautiful maiden, the young man anxiously inquired about the task. Anxiously ମାନେ ଭାବିକି ନାହିଁ. Anxiously ମାନେ ଆଗ୍ରହରେ. Inquired about the task से पचारला कौन कामटा. In reply, the lady asked him to make a hole in water. कौन कहला था गोटे? Hearing the answer, he cried, "It is impossible. No one can make a hole in water. If you demand such an impossible task, I swear you will never find a husband for your daughter in your life." तो झील खोजी खोजी पाइबुनि बर है. But the lady was confident. She replied, "I will find someone who has true love and can also do extraordinary things." The young man was not happy at the reply of the lady, so he went away. But he was not ready to give up. ହେଲା ସେ ପୁଣି ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ଯେ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ହାରିବିନି. On his way towards home, he was thinking about the various ways to find a solution to his problem. Give up ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛୁ ତ ଛାଡ଼ିଦବା ହେଲା. ସେଇଠୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଖୋଜୁଥିଲା solution. Do not leave any problem unsolved. ମାନେ ତେଣୁ ତମେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର. As days passed, the winter came. All the places were covered with the snows. The waters of the ponds, wells, streams, and rivers became frozen. So बरफ हो गला. The young man was thinking about the ideas. He had a will to do the extraordinary. ହେଲା ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା. will ଜାଣିଛ ତ? One day, while he was walking among the road, an idea flashed into his mind. ତା ମାଇଣ୍ଡ କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆଇଡିଆ ଆସିଲା. Seeing the ice on the road, he realized that he could make a hole. In the ice. Ice ରେ ତ ହେଇପାରିବ. So he took a long serpent pole and serpent ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛୁ ତ? ମୁନିଆ. And made a hole in the surface of the frozen water of a stream. Stream ଜାଣିଛୁ ତ? ଝରଣା. He called the maiden and her mother and showed it to them. ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇଲା. They were pleased with his act. खुशी होला. As promised, the mother agreed to give her daughter in marriage to the young man and said, "I just wanted to check your wisdom, patience and power." तू तोर इच्छा थिला तू तेणु चेष्टा करी करी एमती देखैछु तेणु सेटा मु तोर चाहूଥିଲି. छाड़ी आउ भूली न जाऊँ हे कथा मु देखुली हाँ बुझिल कि an easy way towards achievement देखो perseverance माने हार्ड वर्क okay perseverance is the key to success. One should have a will to win the situation. This will to win will take him to the glorious levels of success. People who achieved greater and glorious success speak about their hard work and continuous effort behind their achievement. They never attained in their first effort. They faced many failures. So failure should not be considered negatively as the absence of ability to find success, but as an energy that pushes you towards success. এটা ଗୋଟେ এনার্জি ভଳିଆ ভাବ ফেল ହେଇଗଲ ତ ଏନର୍ଜି very often our little minds always want success in the first attempt itself. When we fail, we feel depressed. ମାନେ ଆମେ डिप्रेस हवा माने कौन अरे डिप्रेस जानू माने ये ही गला कौन है सब भाबी बसिकी इटा है गला स्पेलिंग केमती DEPRESSED अच्छा डिप्रेस माने लोअर द स्पिरिट माने जहार कौन होता है माने मन दुख करी बसथिबो हारिला भलिया बसियो when we fail we feel depressed दुखी हो so we leave the target behind कौन this is the tendency of a common man but if you want to become a successful man you have to win the situation with your hard work तुमको करिया पड़ो है तुम्हें हेमिति खाली जब चाहिए तो 70 को टपी पार 70 रे रहू 70% तो 90 को टच करिया केते हार्ड वर्क करिया पड़ो बढ़िबो किने हार्ड वर्क कले हो ना हैला हो ईच एंड हार्ड वर्क सेमती हुए नहीं इनदी करू करू हार्ड वर्क माने लेखु लेखु एमती सबुदिन परिश्रम करू करू ऑटोमेटिक हो जाए हैला each and every man is quite different from the other in other words everyone is a unique person हैला at the same time he lives in a society so in order to become a unique person in the society he should possess an attractive personality with a difference हैला तमर गोटे डिफरेंस क्वालिटी रहबा दरकार The great men of the world realized their own individual capacities and capitalized on them हैला से माने ता ऊपर कैपिटलाइज करछन्ती माने ता ऊपर ताकर कोन कैपेबिलिटी से जानि छन्ती ताकर कोन दक्षता अछि ताकू से बढ़ी छन्ती आगु तेनु बढ़ी छन्ती हैला Then when they meet failures they did not give up failure हेले से केवे छाड़ी नांती so they earned fame and repute all across the globe से माने repute माने फेमस होइचंदी हला सम्मान हैं हला पाइचंदी जस पाइचंदी हला रेप्यूट जस जस माने ख्याति ओके in order to utilize the dormant capacities and abilities repute माने जस fame okay so in order to utilize the dormant capacities dormant सोई की रहबा सुप्त 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 ये सोई की रही dormant capacities and abilities one should have a will to win है जनकर will इच्छा दरकार है in such conditions the dormant powers will wake up है dormant power गोटा शोक रही उठिब and will become active है they will be ready at your commands तम हाथ रहिबो तम commands to face any situation you may face failures there but those failures will be transformed into valuable lessons for you तमे यदि हारि भी जीवो भी तम पय एटा valuable lessons they appear in front of you like teachers and elders to teach and help you से लेसन गुड़ा तम लगी है टीचर्स से लेसन गुड़ा तम लगी elders so you should be intelligent enough to learn good lessons from your simple unpleasant experiences है से तुर किसी शिक्षार अछि usually we lack this ability and become a man of depression है तेणु आमे man of depression हे जाउछु we try to leave anything we try to leave everything to chance हमें सब केवल chance पई दे दोछु हाँ इंदे हे गला तो कोन हैला but an intelligent man develops a mind to become different and unique to in himself हैला next होची कोन एथरे देजी get up from your sleep it is the time to react Ramananda was a handsome young man who lost both his hands can you imagine the condition of a young man who has lost both of his hands तार दीटा जगह हाथ जनकर पड़े भाव कौन से तार कौन कंडीशन है तो किसी कर हाथ तार नथिले कौन कर किसी नहीं माने बहुत से है गोटे पिलार हाथ जो चलीगला से कौन कर गोड़े भी खाऊँ गोड़े धरिकी चामच धरिकी खाऊँ ओके बाध्य your mind will tell you that he is of no use it is the natural way of thinking there is no novelty in that है से किसी नोवेल्टी नहीं कौन जे मोर कौन मोर हाथ चलीगला तेणु मोर कौन है मुझे किसी कर मोर यूजलेस हो गली बुझिपार नहीं से नोवेल्टी स्पेलिंग कौन लीची यस NO V ओके NOV नोवेल्टी माने न्यूनेस किसी नहीं न्यूनेस ओके देयर इज नो न्यूनेस इन दैट कारण समस्त सिंधी भाबिबे बट व्हेन ए मैन ट्राइज टू न्यूनेस खाली किंतु हाँ बट व्हेन ए मैन ट्राइज टू रेज हिमसेल्फ यदि जने रेज करियो निजको above this thought he becomes significant. से important है ये. This is what Ramananda did. He accepted nature as the largest canvas. से largest canvas in front of him. से nature को भाविले एटा गोटे बड़ परदा. He trained his toes to hold brush for him. से brush धरिले ताको toes एइथरे एमती करिकरी एमती करिकरी धरिया brush. At first it was very too difficult for him, but a steady mind, continuous practice and a will to win helped him to hold the painting brush with the help of his toes. Okay. Later he began to paint pictures on a little canvas in front of him with the toes. At first people did not expect anything great for him. Then even laughed at him. तापर लोको ताको थट्टा कले. Turning away from the society, Ramananda was determined to make turning away. Society ताको प्रत्याख्यान कला. Ramananda was determined to make a new world for him. नहीं प्रत्याख्यान नहीं. Turning away मैंने से फेरी असले. The determination and perseverance मैंने को कामटा जारी रखले. Made him a great artist. His paintings were displayed in the exhibition halls. He won the minds of thousands. As a man once discarded by many, मैंने जदि जने को बहुत लोग ताकू ये कर देवे, प्रत्याख्यान कर देवे, काटी देवे, proved that he was much better than others. Once discarded by many, बहुत लोग ताकू प्रत्याख्यान करते हैं. से प्रूव कले जे much better than others. This could be a real story in our life also. We are like Ramananda, handicapped, not physically but mentally. आमे सब handicapped. हम mind टाउ खटो. We are crippled. आमे भी सब पंगु. Crippled. Okay. पंगु. We must try to break the cell of inferiority. आमे जो inferiority भीतर अच्छे, जो घर भीतर अच्छे, inferiority माने कौन? Inferiority माने है ना जो नीचे देखिए, निजु को नीचा देखिए, है ना? Inferiority feelings, depression तो कहती and laziness, and come out to win the world. हमें win करी परिवा world. The story of Ramananda should give us a new impetus. है impetus माने हमको जोगे वो fuel. Okay. With perseverance and hard work, we can also reach great goals in life. Then, okay. Then the world will acknowledge our efforts. हम effort को world acknowledge करियो. माने मान्यता दबो. एटा ये जो लेसन टा थिला एटा कहा ऊपर द रियल स्ट्रेंथ. रियल स्ट्रेंथ कौन? विल पावर.